Welcome to my channel Wiles of Cooking. Today we'll prepare for you two new delicious toast recipes. Grease 4 slices of bread with butter. Where are you looking from? Please write in the comments. Fry until golden. Friends, 94% of viewers watch me without subscription, and I am surprised by this fact. Subscribe to my channel. Four slices of ham. Cheese. One tablespoon of butter. 2 tablespoons of flour. If you are subscribed to my channel, press the bell. You will receive a video notification. Hope to see you in the next recipe. Stay healthy and happy. Fry until golden. One half cup of milk. We wait until it thickens. Bake for 7 minutes. Second recipe. 5 slices of bread. I would be grateful if you would write the country in which you live, so that I know from which country you are watching my video. 5 slices of ham. 5 slices of cheese. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell, so you don't miss my next video recipes. Great to see your support. 5 more slices of bread. 2 eggs. 1/3 cup of milk. Like and leave a comment. I try to always answer your comments. Thanks for watching. Bake for 15 minutes.